Hi, today I'm going to show you how I clean out my LG ThinQ washing machine. The first thing that I do is you gotta watch out for this and wipe this clean out after every wash, really, or when you're done washing for the day. So just because dirt gets in here, it doesn't dry very well, so sometimes I've seen some mildew build up. And then it's really good to wipe the outside right here. And today I'm going to pull out this little filter. I just found out that this could help my washer really work well, and I've never cleaned it out. So here it goes. I did see that I should put a towel down. Yes, there's a hose. Yes, I've never done this before. Let me go grab a bowl real quick. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this part out. Looks like I need to clean behind the washer. And then pull this plug and do it. Okay, instantly I already see some like dirty water in this. So that could not be good to wash my clothes in. So I'm going to drain this, and then I'm going to open that thing. Okay, it's a little hard to tell, but yeah, there's some dirt, like pieces in there, and this water is not clear. It's kind of dirty. I think I pull this out. Unscrew it, and then pull it out. Yeah, okay, well there's look, some hair. Oh, and a hair tie. Nice. Let's see. Yeah, that's kind of dirt. Okay, no. That's a little dirty water. And then some chunks of just hair, and that's from a shirt, one of those shirt tags. Okay, wow. Well, it really wasn't as dirty as I was expecting, because I didn't realize that you're supposed to clean this out every 6 months, and I've had it for a year, so it looks pretty good for having it a year. Okay, and the last thing when you clean out your washer when you're done for the day is you gotta pull this tray out. Push down right there, it pulls out, because after a wash, I mean, there's like so much water that's still left. So I just flip it upside down and let it either dry in the washer or like dry it on a towel outside. Okay, there you have it. I'm gonna put everything back together after I get this cleaned out. The last step that I'm gonna do to clean out my washer is I'm gonna add the bleach in the liquid bleach container, and then I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna go to the tub clean. And then press start. And if you're doing this, make sure that you don't use your washer for a number of hours, because I believe it takes an hour and a half. Let's see. Of course, with these sensing machines, it takes a minute for it to sense that there's nothing in it and that I'm trying to clean it. Okay, yes. It's gonna take 1 hour and 29 minutes. And then when this is completed, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out this shelf and I'm gonna flip it upside down so it dries and the inside of it dries faster too. And I'm also going to open my door and drum and make sure that that can stay dry overnight.